Today I'm participating in a Small YouTubers Makeover video hosted by at Penny's Place, co-hosted by Grandma Sandy and Tamika Doesn't Quit. The rules for this collaboration is to mention the host and the co-host, and to be subscribed to their channels, and to also use the hashtag Small YouTubers Makeover video. And we have to remake a video that already exists. This particular makeover video was for a bling table I created to put in my foyer, and we must choose a video we just want to do better. Maybe you lost the footage, had poor lighting. In my case, I lost the footage on how to actually decorate the exterior of the table. I did show the materials I used, but I was able to find the footage, and I'm so happy that this opportunity came about so that I could participate and show you exactly how I did the exterior. So we have here the undecorated table, and I added some mirrored tile strips to each corner of the table. This is actually just an adhesive tile that you can stick right on the surface. The next thing I did was showed how to actually decorate the sides of the end table. So two of my sides are decorated like this. There's just an adhesive mirror piece that I put on, and then there is a protected film, of course, that you need to take off to get that mirrored look to match the tiles on either side. Now there is a seam that's in the middle of these two connected mirror tiles or pieces that I'm putting together right now, and all you have to do is take a strip of the Bling Wrap and use some glue from the glue gun and hide that seam with the Bling Wrap. Now I'm going to show you what I did to the rest of the table to get that beautiful pattern. So this was a video that was originally divided into two parts so it wouldn't be too long, and what I did was show one part of me building the table and then one part of me decorating the table. So this is actually the footage that I lost, and what I did here was I cut out the Bling Wrap and I covered the entire table with it, and I used my hot glue gun to glue it down. And you have to be very careful because I have a high temperature hot glue gun and it gets really hot, so I patted lightly to make sure everything was sticking, but just do the whole surface. This is pretty much the base of the actual table, and then we're going to start layering. So just so you know in advance, I have these tiles that I got from Mart. I had to think because this video was such a long while back, and I separated them individually. So you want to separate all of your pieces individually, and I'll put all of my materials in the description box, and I'll also leave a link to the original video so that you can see everything that I did up to this point. So basically there was another Bling Wrap I used, and it was a floral Bling Wrap, so I wanted to cut those in advance individually. So I'm going to be layering two more patterns on top of this Bling Wrap, and those will be the little square tiles and the little circle floral Bling Wrap pieces. So let's get started on that next. So here I've put 4 mirrored pieces that are self-adhesive at the corner of each end of the table, and as you see I've got my square pieces individually cut, and I'm just using my glue gun to glue them down in a diamond shaped pattern. So I'm going to continue this pattern throughout, and then we're going to go to the next step. this is going to be the finished look, so let's jump forward to how we get this final look. So we're going to take some more of our square pieces and go around the edges here. And we're going to just take our floral bling wrap, which is what this is. You can get this at eFavorMart in bulk. And remember, you need to cut them out into individual little pieces. So that's pretty much all I did. Once I got my square tile laid out in diamond pattern form here, I took these little pieces and I hot glued them down in the center of each space that I had open, just like that. So you do that until you've completed the whole surface by filling it in with these pieces. And of course, you may be new and not know what bling wrap is. Bling wrap is pretty much this type of material. It looks like a faux diamond, and you can get it at Dollar Tree. I got a bulk of this at eFavorMart. There it is. There's a good clear picture of it. So I buy it in bulk because I use it on big projects, but pretty much that's how I was able to decorate my table, the exterior part of it. And I did like the fact that I was able to make a smooth finish around the edges with these tiles that I put on the corners. And everything will be in the description box. I'm so happy I was able to actually show you guys this finally. And make sure you go and check out the other collaborators on the playlist. I will leave a link in the description box. And I want to give a special thanks to the host and co-host at Penny's Place, Grandma Sandy, and Tamika Doesn't Quit. And I thank you for watching this remake video. And have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.